Welcome viewers, welcome to our Crochet tutorial. Today we shall be creating beautiful flowers together. Follow along step by step as we craft these lovely blooms. Hello everyone, today I am excited to share with you a simple and delightful crochet flower pattern. Grab your crochet hook and some colorful yarn and let's get started on our creative journey. We shall begin by making a magic ring which will serve as the center of our flower. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to create a loop, then crochet into it to form the ring. Next, we shall work a series of chain stitches to build the foundation of our flower petals. Crocheting in the round, we shall gradually increase the number of stitches to create a full rounded shape. Once our flower has reached the desired size, we shall finish off with a slip stitch and fasten off the yarn. Now comes the fun part, adding details. We can use different colored yarns to create unique petals. Experiment with textures and stitch patterns to give your flowers a personalized touch. Don't worry if you are new to crochet, this pattern is perfect for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Take your time and don't be afraid to practice until you feel confident in your skills. As we work through each step together, feel free to pause the video if you need a little extra time to catch up. Remember, crochet is all about creativity and expression, so don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. You can use these flowers to embellish stars. Once you have completed, thanks for watching this video.